kubor baman kesngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
Di sini tuang aku tak ada sampai di sini lagi. Development committee aku rongi mo. Just no matter keko wala na ka. Aro nagkarang makin. Wala tanga man song nang schedule ko. Okay? Ang obvious na. Lang fast go job lo karna. Shortage in RML area, in and around RML, there are about 7-8 localities here. So there is shortage of rice and shortage of eating materials. I think we should contact all the development committees in this area. ADCs, just put them on board. All the development committees, and we should distribute according to the list that they give. We'll give a bit of rice to everybody. This will be done ASAP. Because the areas affected is not much. It's only this RML area mainly. But then we'll expand it to other areas also. But as of now, it is RML area. 아마 지나갔던 데였네. 구멍이면 제 녹화하고 저 내용을 보고 나가서 그것도 말랐다. 뭐가 더 남겨. 국민 당황이야. kalau situation कैसा है आगे नहीं होगी मैं समझ रहा हूँ ओके आप लोग
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi sumhawan subscribe ya channel ulong yalam news. Kumle shibu.